Hey crafty friends, Christina here from Close to My Heart. I'm here today to share with you my February mystery project kit. And each month what I do is I send out a mystery project kit as kind of a special thank you for making a purchase with me. And it's a mystery because you don't know if it's going to be a card like we're going to do this month, or a tag, or a 3D item. You just never know what it's going to be. And so this month I wanted to showcase a couple different things. I wanted to showcase this fun Build a Rainbow thin cut, this die set that we have. And I thought it'd be really pretty with our UV coated cardstock that has this really pretty glossy look to it. It's part of our Cardstock Carnival special, so it's only around for a limited time, and I just thought it would be a perfect pairing to do these together. So what I wanted to show you is that while this die set is perfect for just making a singular card, it also works really wonderful for mass producing. As you can see here, I've got 3 different looks to this, and then we're going to create the 4th one. And how I did that was just by taking a 3x3 square of each color. So like this grape color, I did a 3x3 square, cut the die. So I had all the pieces, and then I just separated out into 4 stacks, and then repeated that same thing with the lagoon and the flamingo and the clover. Just went through, and so that way you keep getting multiples of it, and it just makes it really easy to mass produce the card. So let's go ahead and create this 4th one. Super simple design. I just wanted it to be something that really showcased and accented how fun the glossy paper is, as well as how pretty it looks together in this rainbow die. So what I've done to make it simple is I actually put our adhesive sheets on the back of the paper, the cardstock, before I ran it through my die cutting machine. So each of these already has the adhesive on it, so you just need to go ahead and peel that off. So I recommend just using like your piercing tool, because you can kind of poke that and get that piece to pop up like I just did. And I lost it here. Let me see. There we go. That way you can just easily go ahead and pull that off, and then the piece has already got your adhesive on it, which is really nice. And you're just going to go ahead and center that on the black circle. I wanted it to pop nicely, so I thought putting it on that black circle would work well. So then we're just going to go ahead and do that with the additional pieces. Just go ahead and peel that off, and then just center it underneath the first one. It goes really easy. And you'll notice I already stamped the sentiment there in the lower corner. That sentiment is actually from our exclusive stamp set that is in our subscription, our Craft with Heart card making subscription. I just really liked the sentiment. I feel like we all need thank you cards. So I thought it'd be perfect to have it be part of this mystery project for you guys. And if you didn't get the mystery project, this is a super easy card for you to do as well. Okay, so we've got that final one on there. So then what I've done is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to 3D this so it has a little bit more dimension. And I'm just going to do the thin 3D. I don't want to use our regular, just so it has a little less bulk to it. So we're going to go ahead and put this on, and then we will finish by adding the clouds. And I did the clouds in our white glitter paper. Always so pretty. Can't go wrong with that. Get that last one off. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and center this on here, like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put some 3D foam behind my clouds so they have a little bit of depth to them as well. I'm going to use my piercing tool to get these backs off. Since I don't have very long nails, it's a little bit trickier. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put one cloud there. And it's kind of nice that it kind of overlaps off that circle, just so you have more movement on your card. It's not all just centered on that black cardstock circle. Okay, take the backing off here, and then put it right there over that. And that's it. Super simple. I think because I put the adhesive sheets behind it, it just made it really easy to go ahead and put it together. So I do recommend whenever you're doing some like thin or more intricate die cuts, if you put those adhesive sheets behind it before you cut the paper, it just makes the project so much easier to do. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and until next time, stay crafty.